Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your love energy, and your career situation, guys. So this is for your daily energies, Gemini. We'll be picking two cards, guys. One card for your career situation and one card for your relationship. We will open the cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily energies, Gemini, it's Two of Swords in reverse, Three of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man in reverse. With these cards, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, Gemini, you may be working with people. Maybe this may relate to your career situation, guys. You are working as a team towards some goals, or it may be something in your personal life also. You may be working with people, functioning as a group, functioning as a unit. So you are taking support or suggestions from people, or your family members, friends, or this person. So you are supporting each other, or you are taking support. That is what I see. And also, guys, for some of you, you may be having people in your work situation or in your life, maybe some friend or family member who is not entirely truthful to you. They may have some bad intentions, guys. They may not be telling that out loud. They may have bad intentions. They may pose as your friend, but you need to be careful, guys. So whoever it is, if you are able to identify them, you need to stay away from them. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And also, there are people, maybe this person, because of their selfishness, that is the reason they are having some bad intentions against you. They may be trying to use you, guys. So you need to be really careful, Gemini. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Higher power. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, guys, in your career, you may what to say, feel some kind of inspiration or intuition guiding you in something. Maybe when you are making some choices or deciding something, things are just happening, just coming towards you. Some ideas are just coming as thoughts, something which you have never thought about. So you need to see that it is that what to say, that higher power. We are not just human beings. We have that divine spark in us, guys, that part of God or universe or nature, or whatever you say, that higher power, whatever it is, you have that spark in you. So that may be guiding you towards some choices. So when that happens, when those intuitive nudges are there in your life today, you need to take that up as that spirit's guidance to for some choices, guys. So when you take up those choice, you will be really successful. So that is what this card is about, Gemini. What is the card for your relationship? Never ending story. So with this card here, guys, for your relationship, maybe you need to let go of that self-criticism, whatever you have for yourself, guys. So you have to give up that fear, envy, and greed, or what to say, thinking of yourself as a victim in that particular situation, going again and again through those hurtful memories whatever we had, and repeating it within ourselves of our past failures or our past challenges or obstacles whatever we faced in this relationship. So when you do that, you have to what to say, give up that shame and fear, guys, that low self-esteem that you have because of your past experience. And you have to forgive yourself, forget, and stop telling yourself of those past, so those repetitive thoughts whatever you are having within yourself. You need to forgive yourself. You have to have that compassion towards yourself for that which is repeating the same old stories. So when you give up that your past memories or hurtful thoughts, you will be able to see what is right there in front of you, guys. So you need to live in the present. So this is the time for you to let go of your past hurt, Gemini. That is what this card is about. And that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.